Security resources in Office 365. Office 365 offers protection from email-borne threats, with Office 365 Advanced Threat Protection and Exchange Online Protection. Office 365 offers advanced threat protection for SharePoint, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams. You can protect your endpoints using Windows Defender, Windows Defender ATP, and Microsoft Intune. Protect your Office 365 identities with Office 365 using Azure Active Directory, Azure MFA, Conditional Access and Identity Protection. Protect your corporate data with Office 365 using Office 365 DLP, Azure Information Protection, and Office 365 Message Encryption. For more updates, call us or visit our website and subscribe to our channel.